Step 2. Click on DHCP. I'm gonna hide all this information because I do not want to share any of this status information with anyone. Click on DHCP. The full form of DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It helps to assign IP to your device connected via Wi-Fi router to your communication to communicate with each other. Here you get 3 options: DHCP setting, DHCP client list, and address reservation. In DHCP setting, you get 8 options as you can see here. Here you can add or change a few things, but to change the bandwidth control on your router, change the start IP and end IP. It's a kind of local IP pool you have to set up from 1992.168.0.100 to 192.168.0.199.